You can do it, Mandy.
Hey guys, it's Mandy Pernz. Welcome back to my channel. And it's another hairstyle recreation video. I think this is becoming like a monthly video content here on my channel, but I don't mind. I like doing this. Someone commented on my Olivia Rodrigo hairstyle recreation video that I should recreate Jisoo's hairstyle from BLACKPINK, and I replied soon, but I think that was like 2 months ago, and I'm sorry it took so long, but here it is. And instead of doing just Jisoo's hairstyle, I'm also going to be doing the hairstyles of the rest of the members. I tried so hard to find the easiest and least time consuming but at the same time stylish hairstyles, because if you guys know, K-pop hairstyles are kind of complicated to do and very hard to pull off if you're not like one of them. Good thing that I found hairstyles that are quick and easy to replicate and fit my vibe. So as usual, I'll be recreating the hairstyles starting from the easiest to the hardest hairstyle, and you guys know how this goes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's go.
Go, Mandy. You can do it, Mandy.
Ta-da! First up we have is Lisa's hairstyle from their ice cream music video. She had bangs and pink highlights that I obviously do not have, so I'm going to be relying on hair extensions for this. I got my clip-on bangs that I purchased solely for the purpose of pranking my family and friends, which has now come in handy. Then I have my pink hair extensions as well. I only got 4 of them, but these would do. Now first I gotta take care of the bangs with the help of a straightening iron.
Could I interest you in everything all of the time? A little bit of...
We gotta make sure the bangs is like a C or something, if you know what I mean. Then we put it on. If you have natural bangs like her, good for you. After that, I'm putting the pink extensions, 2 on the left side just above my ear, and also 2 on the right side. And that's done.
Chillin' like a villain, yeah, rah, rah, rah. 미친 듯한 속도 in my life, rah. 너무 빨라, 너는 되게 wanna. Keep it moving like my Lisa. Think you fly, but where you visa? Mona Lisa, kinda Lisa, needs an ice cream and a treat. Keep it moving like my Lisa. Think you fly, but where you visa? If you know what I mean. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, killin'.
Could I interest you in everything all of the time? A little bit of everything all of the time.
Next up we have is Jisoo, the one being requested. This hairstyle of hers is from her How You Like That promo picture, I think. The reason why it took so long for me to do this video was because I had to buy those hair clips of hers from Shopee. It's not the exact same ones, but it kind of looks similar. I had to wait for so long for them to arrive. So recreating this is super easy. You just gotta have those hair clips, pin them on each side of the hair behind your ears, and bring down some strands of hair at the front. Easy peasy, and it's done. The third one is Rose. This was one of her hairstyles from their Lovesick Girls music video. I've done this exact hairstyle from when I was dressing up as Lara Jean in my previous video. Go check it out if you want to. So yeah, basically it's not a new look for me, but I've mentioned in that previous video that I hated this hairstyle, and I still have my belief on that. Even though it looks easy to do, just 2 half-up ponytails with yellow ribbons, but honestly I just could never get this hairstyle clean, and it's freaking tiring. You may not see it in this video, but I've been redoing the hairstyle for more than 10 minutes behind the scenes. Was I close to giving up? Maybe, but your girl didn't, and here's the result.
But I don't care, do it over and over. 내 세상 속에 너만이 있으면 돼. We are the lovesick girls. 네 맘대로 내 사랑을 끝낼 순 없어. We are the lovesick girls. We were born to be alone. Yeah, we were born to be alone. Yeah, to be alone. But why we still looking for love? No love letters, no ex.
Last but not the least, it's Jennie's hairstyle. This was from their Ice Cream music video again, and I've never done this hairstyle before, so I was challenging myself on this one. First, I parted my hair on the left side, then sectioning off the front part of the bigger side for, you know, the side bangs. I tied the rest of my hair to the back and then tie that front piece as well. Next, I gathered my hair into a half-up ponytail with a purple scrunchie, making sure it's rested at the top of my head. And for the tricky part, I pinned down that front piece to the side with hairpins and sprayed my hair with a hairspray to keep it in place. And that's it! And that's it for this video, guys. I hope I did not disappoint, especially to Nics Martinez, who requested this video. I hope the recreations are up to your standards. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'll see you in my next video.